forgot to record the session, so we'll begin. Okay. So today's event is about introducing what DSC about to the students and anybody that is interested in the video technologies. Okay. So what is DSC? What is it about? How can you participate? We'll let you know everything by the time this session ends. Okay. So we will go over, we have some dignitaries who will join us. So we have Shadrach, he was a DSC lead alumni and is currently the GDG Accra lead. GDG is for Google Developers Groups. Okay, so we have him now present. He will also give us some guides. Move on. Okay, so first I'd like to introduce the core team members. Okay, so for now we are just three, but we encourage anybody who has anything to offer to volunteer and join us. You don't have to be a programmer to join us. If you do designing, you can join us. Whether you're a business student, you can join us. All you have to do is need is have the passion. Yes, you have the passion, the drive. Well, let's do this. Okay. So everyone is welcome to join us. Okay. So for now, we have me as the lead, so Alfred. We have Wusu Victor as the organizer, and then Kennedy Wusu as the PR. Okay, they'll get to introduce themselves. So and tell us a bit about them. Okay, so let's go. So for the Faculty of Advisors, we have Dr. Philip December, who is the HOD of Computer Engineering. He will also give us his necessary support as we move on. And then we have Dr. David Bohini, who is a chartered economist and also a lecturer. He has extensive knowledge in organizing events, various events, and I think his expertise will help us as we move on. Okay, so let's go. Let's give a brief overview of what DSC lead. Okay. So DSC leads developer student clubs, okay, which are established on universities for students interested in Google developer technologies. Okay, so if you're interested in programming, tech, if you're interested in tech, anything, you can. There are a lot of ways you can contribute to tech. You don't need necessarily to be a programmer. You can be a designer, writer, organizer, anything at all. Just have the interest in the tech, and then you can join us. Okay. So, any department at all is welcome to join, whether business engineering, you are welcome to join. Okay. So DSC is supposed to, let's say, help us grow, okay, grow and then develop the technical skills that will help us, let's say, move on. Okay, so that's what it's about. So sometimes you see some students. I'm talking about the programming side. Sometimes some students they come to school, they go into the industry, they don't have any real life experience. DSC will help you with that. If you're a student that you're interested in tech, maybe you want to know how to do something, let's say maybe create a website, create a web application, create a mobile app, do data analysis, you're into cloud, any other thing, your interest, but you don't have who to guide them, support you, DSC is there for you. Okay, so DSC is there for you where we help each other, we learn from each other, and then we help each other grow. It's a great community, and I'm sure we'll do great things. Okay, so this is one story at from students, developer student club established at Tech, Kwame University of Science and Technology. Okay, so they came up with this AR navigation app for the freshmen to help them navigate the campus, make their life a bit easier. Yes. So I don't know the network bandwidth. I think not allow me to play the video, but you guys that have just joined, I'll copy the video URL and then I'll send it into the chat so that you can have a view of it anytime you want. It's a very inspiring story, and I'll be glad if you take a look at it. Okay, so I'll hand over to Shadrach, who is the GDG Accra lead and the former DSC lead admiral at Dominion University College, to take us through. Okay, so Shadrach, please over to you. Okay, so the network, I think so. Let me give him a call to see. So actually wait for Shadrach, uh, who let's take a look at some of the areas or that we'll be dealing with. So some of the areas we do will be front end web development. Okay, I think he's back, so let's go back to him. Okay. So Shadrach, over to you.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. I've been quarreling with my internet here. Sorry. You can keep on projecting the screen. Yeah, it seems that that's what I actually used. So I'm not projecting anything. Okay.
Okay.
So as he projects the screen, I'm Shadrach Inusa, and I'm a DSC lead alumni for Dominion University College. Currently, I'm the GDG lead for Accra. That's the Google Developer Group lead for Accra. Um, my screen, you are not projecting the screen still, Alfred.
Okay, it's going to come up soon.
Okay,
It's just loading a bit.
okay. So I welcome you all for joining the event, which is hosted by DSC Onishi University. DSC, as Alfred has told you a little about, most of us here in Ghana, we didn't have any idea on it when it started. So Ghana got into DSC, that was in the year 2018, when we had only 2 students from Ghana, that is from university, Ashesi University, then the KNUST. Okay, so we have only 2 students from these particular schools, from HSC and KNUST, who represented Ghana. And gradually, when we joined in 2019, the number increased to 6. And currently, we've been told that the number has been increased to 9. So I think there's been a gradual increase. 3 more schools have been added. And we are hoping by next year, more schools to be added to the program. So I would like to talk a little about my experience being a DSC lead. Can you give me the screen, the other one? Okay, so my experience of being a DSC lead, I was actually I actually joined the program in September 2019, and we had a summit in Ghana. Normally, DSC leads go for summits to learn more about the program before coming to host events um, with their community and other stuff. So we attended a summit in Accra in Alisa Hotel. It was an awesome event. It was a very great event. We learned a lot. So from the event, then I came back to organize my info session as well. So if you look at the picture on the middle picture at the right-hand side, was when I had my first event. And most of the pictures you are seeing there are during my events and my trainings and other stuff. The pictures up there, normally DSC clubs we go for a solution challenge. Okay, so we had our solution challenge. We partook in the solution challenge. DSC DUC partook in the solution challenge. We did well, but we couldn't get into the first um, 20 or 30. But we did well. We did absolutely well, and we had someone from Ghana, from the University of Education, Kumasi, who was also able to enter into the final 10. So we were happy because he made us proud. This is an interesting and awesome program. I will encourage all of you to really partake in it, because with this program, you are going to get everything free. You are going to get a lot of free things from Google developers to learn. Not thinking about food you are going to get or drink you are going to get, item 13 and other stuff when you are attending events. Like, I would like you guys to take your mind off those things and put focus in what you are going to learn. Okay, so if you study, if you look at my pictures, most of the students I normally target is the students from the other faculties or other departments, because I realize most of them have low knowledge about tech. Most of them have no or low knowledge about tech. So I used to encourage them, bring them into the club and try to teach them something. Okay, and at the end, I was able to make some people learn at least. Uh, some people were able to learn some stuffs like web development and other yeah, web development, little bit of programming skills and other stuff, and it was awesome. You know, this program actually gives you a huge platform. I think Alfred have access to a whole lot of documents that whatever you need, just reach out to him. That, oh, Alfred, I want to learn something about this. Google technologies, Google products, Google services, anything at all you need to learn, you just reach out to Alfred. Since he's your lead, he will just you through. He will provide you with whatever resources he has been given access to. If he doesn't have the resource, he will just reach out to the program manager, and Awal will give him the resource to reach out to you. So it has been an awesome journey through my time being a DSC lead. I didn't apply for GDG lead. Okay, I didn't apply for. We actually applied for GDG lead, but I didn't apply for GDG lead. So I just joined. I was just a DSC lead, trying to do my best, working for the community, um, making the community enjoy whatever I have, and straight away I just received an email to become a GGG lead. Okay, so that's how it works. There are a whole lot of things that comes being a DSC lead or a DSC member. The members, you are going to enjoy a lot. Trust me, there are a lot of things for you to enjoy. So just work hard, push hard, learn new things, and keep on putting those stuffs on Twitter. Tag your community program managers, Awal, Anedi, Ada, tag them, let them know what is going on, report events and all those things. So members also keep in touch, get into the program, and I'm sure you are going to make it somewhere, because this is something new at Audition University, and I would like all the members and the core team members to put themselves into it and make it something great. Yes. So without talking too much and without any further stuff, I think I will end here. I won't talk much. I will just end here so that when Alfred finish talking, or when Alfred need my assistance, or any of you need my assistance, I can just help Alfred out with it. Yeah, so I think Alfred, you can take it out. I'm still here to help out if you guys need to know anything about the program. I'm still here to assist you guys.
Oh, thank you very much, Shadrach. We'll definitely need the assistance. I will always contact you. Yeah, yes, yes. We are really glad for the work you are doing for the community. Yes, sir. Okay. So that was a exhilarating speech from Shadrach. We'll go on to the next slide, which will be the focus areas of the GDG, sorry, the Developer Student Club. So uh, at this juncture, I would like to introduce Owusu Victor. Uh, so he will take us through the rest of the program. Mhm. Okay, so Victor, over to you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Good afternoon, house. I'm also Victor University, computer science student, and as an organizer for this big community, we are going to look at some areas that we be focusing on in our current need or in our current group. We'll be talking about front end web development. Front end web development. Maybe those who are new to maybe IT or maybe those who are, we all know the internet, right? We browse, we need to check our daily tasks or basic things, like logging into your mail, these online portals, these online stores where we buy or e-commerce, all those stuffs, right? These are the front end development. What's all the materials and the tools that we use to develop these websites that we usually visit. We're talking about the back end, since the front end, especially what we see, we type, we interact with, mainly the front end. Then talking about the back end, as I said, we store data in terms of passwords, in terms of products and other things. It is the work of the back end. So how does this back end, how do we even develop this back end? We have a whole lot of tools that we use to develop this backend. We have something like Django, Flask, PHP, JavaScript. Moving about all these things when we begin with the backend. Now we talk about mobile apps, the application that we use on our phones. The application that we use on our PCs are different from the ones that we use on our phones, right? So what language do we use to build these mobile apps? We have so many languages. We have Java, we have Kotlin, we have Flutter. Yes, we have Flutter. We talk about all these things, how applications are developed on mobile phones. Then we talk about data science. Data science, normally data science goes with these AI stuffs. They are like twins. They are like twins. So we're talking about data science, especially those new business. You can do something with this when you're good, right? You can do a lot of things with data science. Then we talk about the cloud computing. Now most of our data are stored in the cloud. Most of the things we watch movies and everything, right, on the cloud without even downloading it. Let's talk about Google Photos. Those who normally use Android, we have Google Photos. We normally store our details. How those basic things, then things as time goes on. Please, can you send me to the next screen? types, the kind of events that we'll be having, the kind of events that we'll be having workshops. We normally call for workshops. We meet at. I said now due to this COVID, so we may not be meeting now. Um, Whatever. Then we have hackathons like a challenge. We have hackathons like challenge. We'll be having challenges among ourselves.
I don't know, it seems Victor's kind of distracting a bit. So uh, I think we have to move on to the next slide. So I'll take you through the next slide. Okay. Okay. So Victor left at hackathons. So we'll go through the collaboration project. So there are projects that will involve you students coming together and then design something and present. Okay. So the collaboration project, we can come together and we'll reach there. We'll talk about the yearly challenge. So okay. So we can come together, then create something for the school, for the community, anything, whether small or big, something to showcase that, oh, yeah, we have been doing some learning and it will mark as a milestone to our progress. We could also we could also have TED Talks where we could invite guest speakers from various places to join us. Get Shadrach for one who is on the call to come and give us some experience and some TED Talks. I'm sure he will gladly join us. So we could invite other people who are expertise in various areas to come and also educate us and train us, which is it's very nice. It's very nice. Okay, so we could also have sessions where we showcase our various skills, the various things that we have done. So that's it for the event types. We will have a lot. Okay, let me take this time to announce. Next week we'll be having a flatter session. Okay. So we'll have a quick flatter session where we see how to build a mobile app with flatter. Then we'll move on. I think yes, during the next week we'll also have a web dev series where newbies that are new to programming in web development. So we'll introduce HTML and CSS. We have a whole lot planned. I can't do. I'm looking forward to showcasing all of that. Okay, so we have the solutions challenge. Okay, so what's the solutions challenge? Well, it's a contest, as in the word a challenge. So it's when various developer students club they come together to develop solutions for their community using one or more of Google products. So what you have to do is you have to come up with a solution. We identify a problem in the community, then we find a solution that we can solve using tech. Okay, so we come up with a solution using tech to solve that problem. So I'm sure we can do great. We have a lot of great people on board. So um, all I have to say is if you have a necessary skill that you can help or have an idea, we are always welcome. We are always welcome. Okay, always welcome. Okay. Oh, okay. So I just saw in the chat, Barbara says she will be glad to have talks. Don't worry, the talks will surely come on, and we'll be glad to have it with you too. Okay. Okay. So let's look at the solutions challenge for this period this year. So the 2020 solutions challenge had 10 winners, and luckily we had one from Ghana too, which is the University of Education Uniba. They came up with this emergency response assistance, which is very great. It's very great because of bandwidth and then you know what. So I'm going to send this link in the chat. So I've sent it just now so that you can have a look at it and be amazed by the product that they came up with. So if they can do it, they are Ghana, right? We can also do it. So yeah, so it's something nice. So for the final slide, I would like to invite one of my core team members. I want to invite one of my core team members. I would like to invite one of my core team members, Kennedy Owusu, one of my core team members, Kennedy Owusu, to take us through this, how I put it, the steps to become a member in the community. So Kennedy is right here with me to take us through it. So Kennedy, over to you. How do one become a member in the DSC chapter in Onishi?
Okay, so good afternoon once again. As Susu clearly introduced me, my name is Kennedy, core member of the team. I believe we are all here to learn and eager to undertake the project. Okay, so to continue from where you stopped, if you wish to become a member of the team, first and foremost have to register on the Developer Student Club website, and the link has been provided in the presentation below. You just don't have to register, but then as time goes on, you have to make sure every event that we organize. As and when we organize events, we will make sure that we inform all members who are interested, and then you also invite more members. We want to do our immediate environs. And then after attending events, definitely you undertake some practical aspects. In the code, you get your hands dirty. So after getting your hands dirty, what do? You take part in the project that we would also, or we will bring on board. As time goes on, other members will bring ideas on board that we will convert into apps and then websites and the likes. So we take part in all the projects that we will bring on board. Of course, you can also, you don't have to be a student of All Nations University. As long as you are interested in the project, you can volunteer with us and then we welcome you on board. Welcome you on board.
So thank you.
Yeah.
See the HOD and at least that it seems Barbara, it will be best volunteer. That's great. That's great. Oh, yes, that's very good. So I will work with you to come up with something nice. Thank you very much. Okay, so it seems that's the end of it. I would have loved the HODs around, but it seems they are not around. So that will be it for now. So I'll hand over to Shadrach to give us some closing advice, and then we'll call it a day. Thank you very much. Over to you, Shadrach.
Yeah. So far so good. I think you guys are doing well, and it's nice. I don't know what Barbara is doing here. it's nice. It's nice you guys are starting this way, gradually. Okay, and I don't know if there are members here, but I encourage them to really take this thing far. You should take it very, very serious. And I know you guys are really going far. It's all because of the pandemic. If not, I would have been in your school for this event actually, because I talked with Victor about it. I would have been there if not the pandemic for the event. And Enoch is also here. Okay. And I really appreciate the invite. And I think you guys should work hard. As you said, you have your next event coming on. Um, you guys should work hard and make this a success. This platform is really, really great. It's a nice platform. You can even have breakout rooms and other stuff, but for now, just manage with this. I think this is okay for now. Use this to have your events, and you can record as you are recording. When you are done with the recording, you have a wrap up button there. I know you are not familiar with the platform, so I'll use the opportunity to explain it a little to you. So as soon as you end the event, as soon as you end and you stop the recording, you have you will get a notification in your email. Okay, so when you go to the email, even if you don't get the notification in your email, you click on the event, you will see a wrap up on the bar at the top there. If you don't get it, if you don't understand, you just let me know when you start. You see a wrap up there. You click on the wrap to wrap up the event. You click on it. You see your recording that you did. You can copy the link, put it inside there. There is a particular link holder there. You can put the link there, and when people visit the platform for the old event, they will still see the video there at the top there. Place at the video placeholder there at the top to be able to view the video, even though they didn't partake in the video. They will still see it there since they didn't get access to partake in it. So they will see the video up there to also watch. This is a nice platform. It's a great platform. You don't lose your tracks. You get everything inside there, and you can report as well to our using the link. When you copy the recording link, you can copy it and you report it instead of the pictures this time around. Instead of taking screenshots of the stuff, you can use the link to report. Then also you normally have to take screenshots and use the handle to post the screenshots on Twitter. I've done some few posts. So you post it and you tag AWAL and AD, then you use the hashtag developer student as you did for the first one. So use these kind of things to promote your club in your campus. Yes, and same thing apply to the Eugene students here. Use this same procedure to promote your clubs. Okay, so let's try and increase the developer student clubs community in Ghana here, because currently our say we have 9. Let's try and increase it. At least let's make it 20 next year. At least 20 next year. We can do it. It's just a matter of someone applying, attend interview, have some little technical skills, leadership skills, some little, and that's all. We are done. So we can get even more than 20 people there. So let's do this, and I encourage all the members and everyone here to really take this serious, and let's push it to a different level. Next year, we are going to make it big. So you guys shouldn't forget to register for DevFest. DevFest is on the way coming. So you guys shouldn't forget to register. I hope you are all registering. Let me drop the link, then I can end with my talk here. Okay, let me drop my DevFest link. So you are all part of the DevFest. So please make sure you register for DevFest if you've not. Okay. So thank you very much for having me once again.
Okay, sir.
Sure, Alfred. Yeah. Victor, are you around? Because it seems Alfred is off.
Yes.
Okay. You have access to stop the recording. So
Okay.
since you are an admin, you can also stop the recording. And I think, yeah, so thanks guys for joining us. Thanks everyone. Make sure you register for the first. It's going to be an awesome event. Yeah. So I think over to you, Victor.
Okay.
Okay, Alfred, over to you now.
Okay. Oh, sorry about that. I had issues with my network. Thank you very
Oh,
much,
okay.
Shadrach, for the invigorating speech. We'll get the Bevi link ready so that those who couldn't join us today could have access to whatever ensued. Okay, so thank you very
Yeah.
much. I don't know. Barbara is very participative. I know she has a word or two to say. If you like to say a word or two. Okay, okay, so Barbara, I think your mic is.
Barbara, are you not a core team member?
No, she said she doesn't have anything to say. So
Barbara, are you not a core team member at Eugene? You this girl.
so okay. So thank you all very much.
Yeah, sure. You guys should work on an event. Should work on a big event for all the DSC leads in Ghana. Yeah, you should work on a big event.
Yes.
I can help you guys get a Googler. I mean, someone who works at Google. Okay,
Yeah.
to handle that event, to handle that event for you.
Uh,
So yeah, so you guys should, so you can do your normal event after that first, then we can start doing big events together, all the DS elites.
definitely,
Yeah,
we'll do that.
sure,
We'll do
sure.
that.
All right, so I think we are done.
We are 1 hour on the dot exactly. So
Yeah,
that
sure.
will be it for today.
All right, sure.
So,
Okay, thanks everyone. So bye.
thank you everyone for coming. See you.
You can stop the recording before, okay?
Okay.